coming, Mr. Salako helped me to carry my talking drum, right? He carried my talking drum, and this fell down. And I asked him, "What is that?" He said, "Gong gong." I said, "No." Then he started thinking. I said, "Yes, I put you on the test now." Keep on going. He couldn't mention it, so I said, "Congo." So this is Congoili. And how do we play it? They just squeeze this. Anybody can play. Just know the technique. And how do you squeeze? You squeeze. When you release, you get the low note. When you squeeze hard, you get the high note. When you squeeze a little bit, you get the middle note. Right? So when they put it on the armpit, it's combination of this, like that, right? Like that, right? So, and those with dexterity, they start to shake and do some incredible stuff. And there's a lot to learn about the talking drum itself. It's helping me for this Yoruba, but those talking drummers, they also have the way to time the music that nobody knows about, right? When you go to music school, they show you metronome, counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These talking drummers who are professionals and they're very they're well trained, they have internal metronome. You would see them gnashing their teeth like that. They're doing some counting, you know, so they can't fall apart with their drumming. They can't go back, they can't be too forward. And they're inside of it, like, you know, when you are doing something that you know exactly what, like somebody walking on a tightrope, right? And he's balancing like this, and he's using the whole body, and his brain is doing some calculation. And am I too far to the left? Am I too far to the right? The same way with the talking drum. And he's doing all this incredible stuff inside of it. He's doing all that, and the other rhythm is going on. But he could do those acrobatic stuff because of the knowledge of that normal metronome plus internal counting, which is Yoruba. That's where I wanted to learn. It's Yoruba. If a Senegalese is going to play the talking drum, he play it differently. If an Hausa man is going to play it, he play it differently. If a Yoruba man is going to play it, you see the difference. Right? Internal counting. I don't know much about other areas, but with Yoruba, I know that a little child will even learn that. Right? That's not taught in schools, really. A lot of things like that are inside of Yoruba. That's why Yoruba has so much of essence that people must pay attention.